The PAWS team have already said that they will release more quests so that those of us that have not reached that 300k mark will get that 300k mark before the final snapshot and TGE and listing. And there is a new quest I want us to do together right now. If you come to this in section under partner, you see this join bunkers and collect shitcoin. So let's do this quest together immediately right now. So you click on this very start button, and then it will take you to this very mini app. All you need to do is to join. Okay, so as I join, go back right to the PAWS page. Check this out. So if you check, you can then claim 3,000 PAWS. Then the next one is to click on this, spin the slot machine 5 times. Okay, so we need to do this to collect another 3,000 PAWS. So we need to spin the slot machine. Okay, so let me go back to PAWS page and then I will check. Okay, this may take few times. Okay, this is pending, but I've done that. This is pending. So in your case, just do it. And then later, maybe few minutes, come back and you will see this. It will be active to claim. That's very important. So this is to collect everything together, 6,000 pounds. So don't fail to do this quest right now. It's an important update, especially for those of us that have not reached that 300k pounds mark. And what do you think is going to be the total supply of PAWS? There is this rumor flying around that the PAWS token is going to be 1 billion, okay, 1 billion total supply, and another one 10 billion total supply. Okay, so if we have 1 billion total supply or 10 billion total supply in any scenario, what do you think the price is going to be? Okay, so with 1 billion, comment below in the comment section what do you think the price is going to be, and with 10 billion total supply, what do you think the price is going to be as well? Because the price will vary if it's 1 billion and if it's 10 billion. Comment below in the comment section of this very video right now. I want to see that very comment, and let's deliberate on it as a community. And maybe probably next month, early or late this very month, I'm going to come out with a price prediction, especially when I'm very sure of the total supply of this very token. Consider supporting this channel by leaving a like for this video, subscribe right now if you've not done that, and turn the bell notification for more crypto videos like this one. Also check the channel for other crypto content. Join our Telegram channel, the link in the description and also in the pinned comment. It is a free channel, and thanks for supporting this channel.